Hi guys, so I am back from my little vacation. The kids had a 4-day weekend and we just extended it a couple days. And I sound like this. Unfortunately, I got a cold like halfway through the vacation, but nothing big deal. It was fine. But I just sound kind of not great. I will say that while I was gone, I received this. It's an auto ship. I believe it's the Crafter's Companion Gemini 2, like number 6 or number 7 auto ship. So I'll have that correct information up there. I don't think it's available on HSN yet. I don't know that I've seen any of the Gemini 2 auto ships come to HSN later on. It seems like they're just not something you can pick up later, but who knows? Sometimes they'll bring things out. So I'll link whatever might be available in the description box. Those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items. Those links, sometimes the HSN might be a little shopping bag, but this is the only thing I have to show you right now because since I just got back, I want to do this quick video, kind of start talking about crafts and get back into that, Also, I do have some LGRS creative items that they just launched today. That's their launch date for their new spring 2024 items. They are going to have their own live crafting like Angie does on their channel, LGRS Creative, YouTube. I believe tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern, so 4 p.m. Pacific Standard, if you guys want to check that out. I do have their new cleaner and everything for your better press plates. So I know Ranger has an archival ink cleanser cleaner, but this is the one that LGRS Creative came out with, so we'll talk about that in that video. But I don't know if I'll do that before they have their video out or not, because if I'm going to release this video, I just want to say hi to you guys and so you can hear me sounding like this when I go do the other video. We're not too concerned, and then you'll see the other video. So I do want to give it time from this haul video to that. So I might release it later in the evening, which for me it will be like 5 o'clock, so it's after they do their own video, or however. A lot of times I release it prior to, but we'll see. Also, since I got back, HSN has several new of the diamond press items. I don't know if that's because they're going to showcase them in some way or they're just released for the March 5th craft day. So you're going to see some videos for diamond press. Diamond Press also released a bunch of new items on their own website, which I talked about right before I left. So I don't have any of those items here right now with me, but I will have them. So keep an eye out for those tutorials later on. And yeah, I'm sorry, I just sound horrible. Coming down and landing that last bit of like 16,000 feet lower, oh my gosh, the pressure in my one ear was so bad. Again, you have like a head cold, it feels horrible, and it still really hasn't popped, so I kind of hear myself, I kind of don't, but I feel okay. So it was a fun time. Oh, that's another thing I want to say. I am going to still be releasing shorts from Hawaii, from Waikiki. Don't think I'm still there. I'm home. I just had a really, other experiences and things I want to share with you guys, and why not, right? So you'll see those videos, but in the videos I'll be saying, oh, today we're doing this, or I'm going here right now, but it's from, days earlier. So please don't be confused by that. I am home, and we all had a lot of fun, and I do have a haul video. I know somebody had mentioned in one of the comments, like, oh, I can't wait to see your Hawaii haul. It's usually just like food, because that's all I care about, and maybe some souvenirs items. So I'll try to get that done today also, but I probably won't release it until tomorrow or the next day, but I need to get to it because my daughter has some things she wants to give her friends and her teacher and stuff like that, so we'll get to that. So this is the Perfect Harmony collection. I did not look ahead really from the initial presentation to know what's coming up on any of these Gemini 2 things. So this is a complete, surprise for me. So Perfect Harmony. I see that there's like music on here. I see a piano there and some other brass and, strings and things like that. So let's check it out. Yeah, I'm like, why do I have to, I'm glad nobody else got the cold, but I don't know. It just, a few days in, so who knows where I caught it. Perfect Harmony collection, there you go. Some little scanner, I'll leave that there in case you want to scan that. There you go. And then here it is. So, music in my heart stamp and dies. So we have the word music here. I love having the music notes, that's really cute. I know we have stamps and things like that, or I have some, from other collections, but this is really cute to have the dies. I think that's really adorable. And then the word music, so you have you are the, and then make your own kind of, in my heart speaks to my soul when words fail, comma music. It has a comma on that one. Very cool. Ooh, we have like the signature things over here. You have your, it looks like a bass. or cello, I guess, I don't know, maybe cello, and the piano, and then your little kind of and sign, but it's really, again, like that signature. I forget what they call these things. You have your bow and a harp, and there are the images for all that. Very cool. This one is a really cute image of like the larger drum, and this one here with like flowers. I don't know if you can see that. No, there's no inspo on that one. And a little flower kind of corner here. Dance to the beat of your own drum. The tempo is whatever you say it is. And this one says, and these are acrylic stamps, I can tell just by looking at them. Sing like no one is listening in perfect harmony. And then again, some flowers, really pretty flowers. You have your bow here also with your cello and some flowers on that one. And again, no inspo, so there's nothing to show you. If I can show it to you better, I would. This one we have, looks like a clarinet, which is what I used to play. My son plays all the different like brass things, and then my older son used to play trumpet. And so yes, we have a trombone there, and like, oh, I was gonna say French horn, but it looks a little different. I forget which this one's called. That's not tuba, is it? My son plays tuba and French horn, and I'm like, French horn's like this. Yeah, this is, I don't know. So forget your trebles, don't fret. You're a classic. Every year, Dorian, he changes like what he wants to play. Like this year, he plays 2 different instruments, and I still don't remember which one's which. And your guitar there. He was playing like a sousaphone, a little smaller kind of tuba, just so for marching bands, so you don't carrying a huge tuba. Yeah. Okay, so this is like an on the edge kind of die. I thought it was just going to cut this strip, but you can see it just cuts the edge here, and then this part's in there, so it'd be on the edge of your card or wherever you use that you put that. Stencil, a bunch of stencils that are just kind of on top of each other, so you definitely would want to mask different areas off. Kind of the same symbols we saw over here. I don't know if they actually match up together. That'd be interesting. I guess we'll have to find that out later, but possible, right? Maybe it's possible that, well, no, because this is that guy. This one almost looks like it's the same shape, like size and everything, but I don't know. No, not that. No, they're different. The and sign, and that's different too. Okay, so they're not exactly the same. Delightful damask. I always say that in a weird way. I don't know how I've pronounced it. If I'm pronouncing it correctly, but there you go. Delightful stencil. Really pretty. This would be really nice with some glimmer paste or something. That'd be really fun. It's a beautiful design. Musical notes, 2D embossing folder. And these are 4x6. Even this looks like 4x6. Yep, that's what it says right there. 4x6, 4x6. And there you are with the notes. Really cute. Again, standard embossing folder. Your pattern papers. Let's pop this open. They are double-sided. I know this video is not going to take too long, but I do have other work to get to, so I'm just going to try to fan this out. Let me fan this out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, just try to fan it out so I can grab them easier. Really pretty with, again, your cello or your bass or however. Very similar. A lot of the feel they've been doing right now is super similar. This one has like a mottled look with like the music notes. You have your piano there. Again, kind of similar to this one. Has a little more green maybe in this one than the other one. I was gonna say that's your French horn, possibly. It just looks bigger than like a trumpet, you know, but anyhow. Oh my gosh, I should pay more attention to the different instruments. The boy changes his mind every year. There you go, and then you have your harp there. Really pretty. Again, crackled background. They might be sagey, they might be like lavender colors. They're all very similar on the back. This one also has a little horn there. Cute. There you go, your old school record player. I know it has a different name that I'm not even bothering to think about right now. There you go. Piano. Guitar on that one. This one you have your, what looks like a saxophone. Little jazzy number there. With more peachy kind of colors in the background. Tambourines. Which is kind of interesting. They look very contemporary compared to everything else that we've seen. Piano keys at the bottom there. Beautiful flowers there. Banjo. Alright guys, here we go with the beautiful notes. This is really pretty. The paper is really pretty on that one. And then this one just has your music sheets on like a music stand. Pretty colors again. Very similar feel, all the different papers we've been seeing in these kind of kits, I feel like. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm doing all the laundry, you know, almost a week for 4 people. like just trying to get it all done. And I was just thinking, oh, dinner. You know, when you come back from vacation, I don't want another dinner out. I want to make some food or something like that. So it's just got to get that going too. And this is linen cardstock, and it is a ton of sheets of this purple, kind of like a creamy yellow, and like a sagey green, even though it looks very minty in the camera, on the camera at least. I don't know what it'll look like when it edits, but it's more sagey. You can kind of tell the difference here. I don't know. Pretty, just the 3 sheets. So I will start playing with these guys and with the other Autoship that came in recently. This stuff is really thick, the paper. I didn't mention that. This paper, it's not paper weight, but it definitely is not like cardstock weight, right? But it's a nice weight. Okay guys, well that's it. So I just wanted to touch bases, say hi, and break into talking a little and doing all that kind of stuff and explaining away why I sound like this a little bit. Hopefully it'll get better really soon. Yeah, it's just all in my head here. But thanks for watching, guys. Sorry if I sound not great, but hopefully it'll get better. Alright, well thanks for watching, and I will have more videos very soon. Again, the shorts that are out of order, and that's okay. I just want to share some of the different things that we saw, and I'll definitely get to the LDR's creative items later today. And I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.